hint.
Ma'am, apple.
Apple. Okay, the first hint is apple. First hint is apple. Any guesses? First hint is apple.
गेस करेगा ना?
दूसरा टीम नहीं गेस करेगा, उसके टीम मेंबर्स गेस करेंगे. दमशराज खेलते हो ना आप लोग?
Yes.
यानी वर्ड ए से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. शशि थरूर के ग्रुप में जितने भी लोग हैं वो लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे, बाकी लोग एकदम चुप हो जाएंगे. यस, कहाँ है शशि थरूर वाले ग्रुप के लोग? मेरा दे. सांची, अहाना, वेरी इनएक्टिव पीपल. यस,
ये वर्ड जो होगा ये किसी भी एक तो टॉपिक के ऊपर से हो सकता है. हाउ टू टॉक अबाउट लायर्स और लाइंग की पर्सनालिटी
और पर्सनालिटी टाइप बोथ.
दीदी नार्सिसिस्ट, मतलब मेरे जो आपने मुझे वर्ड दिया
हाँ,
तो उसके लिए नार्सिसिस्ट.
नार्सिसिस्ट मैंने जो वर्ड दिया, वेट
नहीं,
वेट अ
आपने जो
सेकंड.
वर्ड दिया उसे.
हाँ, that's not the first hint. एक सेकंड क्रिश, let's move on with this one. उसके बाद you will go to that. First hint is apple. हाँ रिया, कॉपी खोल के चेक करो कि कहाँ से ए से क्या स्टार्ट हो रहा है. राइट, वेरी नाइस. एनीबडी एल्स? कोई शशि थरूर, कोई शेक्सपियर? अच्छा, तुम तो शेक्सपियर से हो ना रिया? शशि थरूर वालों को गेस करना है. सांची, विदिशा. ऑल ट्रूइस्ट. देखो फर्स्ट गेस में आ गया. कौन चीटिंग किया? Yes, 3 points. 3 points for Raj Nandini and the team. Sashi Tharoorians को 3 point मिला because they have guessed it in the first guess only. Yes, Krish. Now you have to explain that word. Not explain, give the hints for the first word that was given to you. Narcissist, no. Give me the word that starts with the first letter of the word that is given to you. Give any word. कोई भी
मैम, आप
word.
जो मुझे वर्ड भेजे थे वही वर्ड बताना है ना मैम?
हाँ,
लेकिन मैम वो तो ऑल्ट्रिस्ट नहीं था.
तो क्या था? Okay, right.
ऑल्ट्रिज्म था.
right, altruism था. It's okay, you know, adjective, nouns वो सब चलेंगे. ठीक है, that is fine. Yes, Krish.
मतलब कोई भी वर्ड स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लेटर्स.
E बताना है. Yes.
मैम, एलिफेंट.
Elephant. Yes. First hint, शेक्सपियर टीम से. Any guesses? कॉपी खोल खोल के चेक कर रहे हो तुम लोग? हाँ, शशि थरूर वालों को अगर पता है तो बताना नहीं है. Yes, yes, हिमांशी. Egoist. Okay, that is not the word.
मैम, एक्सट्रोवर्ट.
No, that is not the word again. Krish, give away the second hint. Krish. नहीं नहीं, एक सेकेंड है. अभी अभी और नहीं, और चांसेस नहीं मिलेंगे. क्रिश, सेकेंड हिंट दो.
दीदी हाँ,
क्या हुआ?
क्या वर्ड आएगा और से?
कुछ भी वर्ड आ जाएगा ना. राजनंदिनी पूरा सैवेज होके सुन रही है क्या चल रहा है. राइट. यस, रिया तुम बोलो, क्या गेस कर रही थी?
दीदी ईगो टेस्ट.
ईगो टेस्ट भी नहीं है.
मैम, ईगोइस्ट.
नो नो आही. यस, दैट इज करेक्ट. दैट इज करेक्ट, ईगो मैनियक. फिर भी आई वुड से ओनली 2 पॉइंट्स बिकॉज बहुत सारे गेसेस के बाद आए हैं. ओके, तो अभी स्कोर है शशि थरूरियन 2, शेक्सपियर, सॉरी, शशि थरूरियन 3, शेक्सपियर 2. राइट. नेक्स्ट. और किसको आना है? शशि थरूरियन से बोलो कौन आएगा. युक्ता इज नॉट देयर. कोई है ही नहीं शशि थरूरियन में. विदिशा आ गई है क्या? हैज विदिशा ज्वाइन?
यस.
यस. Yes. I've sent a word. जिसको मिला start हो. Come on.
Yeah, the word आपने मेरे को भेजा.
Yes.
So I have to tell a word from the first letter, right?
Yes, yes, yes. To your teammates.
Yeah.
Quick.
Conclusion.
Conclusion. Yes. Guys, keep guessing. Shashi Tharoorians. Come on. ज्यादा words तो लिखाए
मैम
भी नहीं है मैंने.
consummate liar.
Yes, who said it? Rajnandini. Very good. In the first guess only. Consummate was the word. Very good, very good, very good. Next. The next word goes to Shakespeare वाला team. Yes. Word चला गया. इसको जाना चाहिए. Who has got the word?
Maybe I have got the word.
Okay, give away the first hint.
Injection.
Injection. Fine.
ये word
Shakespeare.
कौन से group
दीदी,
के लिए है?
Introvert. दीदी introvert.
Introvert. Vidisha, एक बार group check करो. Yes, introvert is not the word. Again, कोई और any other guesses? If not, Ashni दूसरा hint दे दो.
Okay.
मैंने कौन सा टीम के लिए?
Shakespeare. Shakespeare. तुम्हें अगर आंसर बताना है तो बताओ. वो लोग जीत जाएंगे. Yes. Second guess. Second hint.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Incorrigible liar.
Yes, incorrigible it is. Very nice. Okay, if अगर तुम लोगों ने बोल ही दिया incorrigible, तो Purvi, tell me what is incorrigible? Who is an incorrigible liar?
क्या दीदी?
Who is an incorrigible liar?
The one who says the worst kind of lie, the highest peak.
Highest peak is consummate liar. Incorrigible liar is someone who cannot be corrected. Yes, who cannot be corrected, who cannot be rehabilitated. है ना? Yes. And who's an egomaniac? जो बोलेगा, I'll give them the points.
Crazy about oneself.
Crazy about oneself. Yes, very nice. चलो आज का सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. थोड़ा छोटा सा रिवीजन भी हो गया vocab वर्क का. फिर आप लोगों ने किसी ने स्टोरीज नहीं बनाए. Falsification. I made you to write a fabricated story, right? Nobody has lied, क्या? Why not? That was a task. झूठ बोलना पाप है, ये बोलोगे क्या रिया? तो
नहीं दीदी, झूठ तो सबने बोला है.
झूठ सबने बोला है, लेकिन सबसे अच्छा झूठ जो बोल रहा है उसको भी प्राइज मिलेगा. ट्रस्ट मी, मिलेगा. बस मेक अ फैब्रिकेटेड स्टोरी. यूज वर्ड्स दैट आई हैव टॉट यू. वो वर्ड्स को यूज करके एक फैब्रिकेटेड स्टोरी बनाओ, और सबसे अच्छा, सबसे बड़ा झूठ जिसका होगा, दैट पर्सन विल गेट द अवार्ड. ठीक है? कैन यू ऑल डू दैट आज रात तक?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
He
Didi.
says कि वो कर लेगी. What about you, Ahana? Ahana?
Yes, ma'am, I'll do it.
Okay, good, 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 good. What about other people? Himanshi, Sanchi,
I will.
Riya?
जी,
Riya,
दीदी.
what about you?
हाँ.
हाँ, okay. चलो, let's start. कोई
दीदी,
मेरे को बोलेगा आज का सेशन किसके ऊपर है? Yes, पूर्वी.
मेरा एक डाउट था. एक
Doubts with the assignments? Handouts पे है क्या?
नहीं दीदी, वो क्रॉनिक लायर क्या था वो मुझे याद नहीं.
Again, I didn't hear you. So से बात करो.
क्रॉनिक लायर जो था वो क्या?
Chronic liar. Chronic यानी long lasting. है ना? It relates to time. Someone who has been lying since a really long time. He is a chronic liar. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, that's my job. Don't thank me. Chalo, screen एक second. Let me share the screen. Yeah, write down आज के क्लास का ये मैक्सिमम स्पॉटलाइट ये कर रही हूँ. Yeah. Again, CP is there. क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन, जो सबसे ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करेगा उसको पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. हाउ हो गया? हाउ टू टॉक अबाउट, 1 second. Yes, how to talk about, write down, how to talk about actions. This session is totally on the verbs. ठीक है, हम लोग different verbs सीखेंगे. अभी तक we were going behind adjectives and noun. अभी हम लोग verbs सीखेंगे. I wanted to make it diversified, right? To write down. अच्छा, what is a verb? Can someone tell me? Quick.
Didi, have you shared the screen?
Yes, I have.
It's not visible to me.
Okay. Check now. It should be visible, na?
Haan, Didi, now it's visible.
Now it's visible. Okay. Yes. What is a verb? Verb क्या है? Quick.
Action words, matlab, in describing that something is happening.
Okay. So
Refers
can
to
I say
action.
every sentence you think, say, read, है ना, or write, that contains a verb. हर चीज में it contains a verb, है ना? तो verbs are very essential parts. और हम लोग अभी 10 verbs पढ़ेंगे जिनके बारे में तुम लोगों ने सुना भी नहीं होगा कभी. Write down the first word. Again, chart बना लेते हैं. Charts are prettier and easier to understand. Yes. Write down the first word. Disparage. Please pronunciation साथ साथ में देखो. Right. Next, equivocate. I'm not going to tell you the meaning of any of it. आप लोग खुद ही सेशन के एंड में मुझे बताओगे. Okay. Titillate. Titillate. Double L, huh? This is double L. Fourth one. Adulate. Purvi. I'm writing the next word. Can you read it for me?
Proscribe.
Yes, prescribe it is. Rajnandini, can you read the next word for me?
Obviate.
Obviate. Yes. Vidisha Khandelwal. Read the next word for me. 1 second. Huh? Yeah, obviate hua. Yes.
Militate.
Yes, militate it is. Vidisha Gupta. Read this one.
Maligning.
No, maligning.
Okay.
Okay, maligning. Yes, Ria. Please read this word.
Condone.
Hat. Condone. Okay. Okay, the next word, Himanshi. Read this.
Yes, the
ये वाला, this one.
placate.
No. Placate. ठीक है?
Placate.
Yes.
तो placate and placate के बीच में difference होता है?
That is palacate. What you are talking about is palacate. और वो भी ऐसे ही है, स्पेल भी ऐसे ही, साउंड भी ऐसे ही करता है, placate. ठीक है?
Okay दीदी.
यस. एक बार सारे वर्ड्स देख लो, किसी का प्रोनाउंसिएशन वगैरह, उसके बाद I'll move on. Done. Very good. Chalo. Par. What do you understand by this root word? Tell me. What is par? Par word कहीं सुना है? Par means
At
equal.
a par करके कुछ होता है ना?
Yes, at a par. Very good, Vidisha. At a par, it means inequality. दोनों at same level पे हैं. That is at a par. ठीक है? If I'm performing at my par, इसका मतलब मैं अपने ही level पे perform कर रही हूँ. If I'm performing above par, इसका मतलब मैं थोड़ा better perform कर रही हूँ. Right? Okay. तो par से words that can be formed are parity, disparity, फिर write down compare, write down pair, write down pair. Okay. Yes. Parity. Can someone tell me what does this word mean? Parity, ये word सुना होगा history में. Yes.
This is the state of being equal.
Yes, exactly. किसने बोला? Who said it?
Didi Purvi.
Okay, very good, Purvi. Write down. Parity is nothing but equality. If par is equal, so parity is equality. है ना? So what is disparity? Dis is a negative prefix. Dis is a negative prefix.
Inequality.
दीदी inequality.
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 Yes, inequality, not unequality. ठीक है? What is compare? cum is con. It has come from the root word con, which means with or together. Last class हमने discuss किया था. Consummate. है ना? What is compare? What is compare? Two things that are at equal level या फिर similar level are compared. है ना? That is comparison. Write down. Two things together at same level. Similarly, what is pair? Two equal things या फिर two equal things, है ना? I can say that is a pair. Pair of trousers, pair of scissors. And who's a pair? Who are your pairs?
A friend.
Yes, your friends. Why are they called pairs? Because they are of your equal level of intelligence, of your equal age, of equal you can say understanding. कौन friend बनता है? वही लोग बनते हैं ना जो अपने batch में होते हैं, जिनके साथ हमारा thought process match करता है, right? जिनका age आसपास होता है. That is pair. So again, similarly, tell me what is disparage? अगर इतने सारे words बन गए, tell me what is disparage? Dis is a negative word. है ना? Dis is a negative prefix. Par is equal.
Not of equal age.
Yes. Come on. What is it? Go again. Not of equal. क्या बोला?
Ma'am, unequal age.
Not really. Write down. Disparage is lower someone's par. When you lower someone's par या फिर lower someone's feeling of equality, you disparage that person. When you look down upon someone, है ना? For example, what do? मैं तुम्हारा मजाक बनाऊंगी. I'll I'll be satirical while talking to you, है ना? That means I'm lowering your feeling of equality. I'm disparaging you. Clear? Is it clear? Disparage word का मतलब?
Yes, Didi.
Yes. Lower someone's
Didi.
power or feeling of equality. Very good. आप लोग आज इतना एक्टिव क्यों नहीं हो? अच्छा, what is disparity? Inequality. तुम लोग को पता होगा, ये सब हिस्ट्री में पढ़ा होगा. The disparity between rich and poor goes on increasing. है ना? अमीर होते जा रहे हैं, गरीब होते जा रहे हैं. This is disparity. Correct?
दीदी
ये सब पढ़ा होगा आप लोगों ने इकोनॉमिक्स में. Yes.
Didi.
Yes. Okay. What is the adjective of disparity? Disparate. Write down. Disparate. Which means a complete difference or inequality. I would like to move on to the second word, that was equivocate. ठीक है? अभी मैं जो रूट वर्ड्स बताऊंगी वो आगे हर वर्ड में आएगा. So note them down. It has come from the root word equus. And vocate में it is from the root word vox या फिर vocais. इसका मीनिंग है वॉइस. एक्विस का मतलब है इक्वल. अगेन इक्वल.
दीदी कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है लिखा हुआ.
हाँ दीदी कुछ दिख नहीं रहा.
दीदी
ऐसे
लास्ट
दीदी?
इक्विवोकेट दिख रहा है.
ओके. अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा.
हाँ अभी
अभी
दिख
दिख
रहा है. अभी दिख.
एक सेकंड
हाँ,
वापस से स्क्रीन शेयर कर रही हूँ.
जी दीदी अभी दिख रहा है.
अभी देखा?
जी दीदी.
हाँ
यस. स्पॉटलाइट कर देते हैं. ओके. यस क्लियर. इक्विवोकेट में एक्विस इज इक्वल, वॉक्स या वोकाइस इज वॉइस. तो इक्विवोकेट का मतलब क्या हो जाएगा रिया?
दीदी इक्वल वॉइस.
इक्वल वॉइस का मीनिंग क्या होता है? कुछ होता है क्या? नो राइट. सो राइट डाउन द मीनिंग ऑफ इक्विवोकेटेड इज सेइंग बोथ yes and no with equal voice. Krish.
दीदी
Yes.
इसका रूट वर्ड क्या है?
किसका रूट वर्ड?
इक्विवोकेट का.
इक्विवोकेट का फर्स्ट रूट वर्ड इज एक्विस, और सेकंड रूट वर्ड इज वॉक्स या फिर वोकाइस. दोनों कैन बी यूज्ड. ठीक है? इट मीन इक्विवोकेट मीन सेइंग बोथ yes and no with equal voice. है ना? मतलब a confused person. Do you know politicians? Politicians are very good equivocal persons. Why so? उनको कुछ भी पूछो ना, they will answer everything politically correct. है ना? वो लोग हर आंसर उनका डिप्लोमेटिक होता है. कभी भी वो लोग या तो yes या पूरा no ऐसा आंसर नहीं करते. They stay in the middle of the fence. They sit at the fence while answering and answer both yes and no with equal voice. Okay, that is equivocation. You can say equivocate ka synonyms as write down vague, a vague reply, an indefinite reply. kabhi bhi palti ho sakta hai. He can flap anytime. A susceptible reply.
मैम सिनोनिम्स इक्विवोकेट का या फिर इक्विस का?
Equivocate ka. Equus is a root word. It's not an English word. Susceptible ka. Okay. अगर ये हो गया तो can you guys tell me what is unequivocal?
Saying either yes or no.
Yes, either yes or no. या तो मैं हाँ बोलूंगी या मैं ना बोलूंगी. Right? मैं ऐसे बीच में नहीं लटकाऊंगी. And no kiddings. Write down. Either yes or no and no kiddings. So my answer is going to be very much definite. So remember, write down this line. Politicians are masters of equivocation. What do they say? They say, let me be frank with you. And then they stab your back. Hai na? What do some friends do? They be like, let me be frank with you. And then they stab your back. They keep on lying to us. Isn't it equivocation? The next time you encounter a person of that sort, feel free to tell him to stop equivocating. Hai na? Write down the words like, acha, do you know the word ambiguous? Ambiguous. ये word सुना होगा सबने. Ambi यानी both. Right? US word में आया meanings. Both meanings. Any kind of letter या फिर word या फिर any sentence that is called ambiguous when you have both meanings attached to it. And again, this is vague, uncertain, थोड़ा अजीब sound करेगा. That is ambiguous words. ठीक है? Ambiguity. Right? So what is the difference between equivocal and ambiguous? Equivocal जो है ना, that is intentional. Ambiguity is accidental. Right now. Okay. Next, I give you one more word. I like that word. Write down. Dublante endre. Write down. Double. ऐसा होता है, इसको ऐसा लिखते हैं. Entendre ऐसा लिखते हैं. And we pronounce it as dublantendre. Question नहीं खुल रहा. Okay. एक second. Yes. How do we pronounce this? Dublantendre. Dublantendre. Okay. ऐसे pronounce होगा ये. Dublantendre. What does this mean? It means words with two meanings. Words with two meanings. है ना? ये हाँ भी, ना भी, equivocal words, that they are all dublantendre. This is how we pronounce it. Okay? This is not how we spell it. Okay? Yeah. तो एक्विस को थोड़ा और खोलते हैं. एक्विस से और भी वर्ड्स करते हैं. Write down words like equity. ये सुना ही होगा. Inequity. ये भी सुना होगा. अच्छा, this is a tricky one. IQUITY. What is the difference between number 2 and number 3?
दीदी आपका राइटिंग बहुत डिलेड आ रहा है.
अच्छा, there's some issue with my Wi-Fi. मैं नेटवर्क चेंज कर रही हूँ. नहीं, नेटवर्क तो ठीक है. Give me 1 second. यस, एक बार चेक करो अभी. हाँ, इट मस्ट बी फाइन नाउ. अभी ठीक हो गया होगा. Right? So first word is equity, second is inequity, third is inequity again, and fourth one is equinox. What is equity? ये तो अभी अभी पढ़ा हमने. What is equity?
दीदी justice और fair.
Yes, justice and fairness. Equal treatment is what equity is. है ना? Justice and fairness. What is inequity then?
दीदी injustice और unfairness.
Injustice या injustice?
Injustice, I'm sorry. Injustice
Yes,
और
injustice. Yes. So what is INIQUIT? Inequity.
दीदी sin
Sin? Did you say
और
sin?
evil, yes.
Yes,
और
sin
evil
या फिर
because
vice. Not evil, vice. Paap. Iniquity is paap. Do you remember the word egregious liar? He was a sinful liar. है ना? In the same way, we can say he was doing iniquity throughout his life by lying. Any immoral act, iniquitous act. Iniquitous is the adjective. अच्छा, what is equinox then? Equi तो equus से आया है तो equal हो गया, right? Nox आया है nocti से, nocti, which means night. तो what an equinox is? Equinox क्या हो गया फिर?
Equal night and day.
night the same.
Equal
Yes,
night
yes,
and
yes. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
When the length of day and night are same.
Yes, there are 2 days in a year where the length of the day and night both are same. कब कब आता है वो? एक तो March 21st
20
and September 21st या 22nd.
22nd September.
22nd.
Yes, no? Yeah, right. So that is an equinox, where the length of the day and the night are same. तो nocti word से हमने और भी word सुना है, nocturnal.
yes, दीदी.
Nocturnal. फिर equanimity. ये तो दूसरा word आ गया. Equanimity, write down equanimity. उससे पहले can someone tell me what nocturnal is?
Who generally do their work in night?
Yes, anybody who is active at night is a nocturnal person. How many of you are morning persons and how many of you are nocturnals? Come on. कितने?
I can't,
Nocturnal
ma'am, I
person.
can't understand iniquity. Do
Yes,
you know?
yes, yes.
Ma'am, iniquity.
Nocturnal. Yeah. What do we do with? Yes, Vidisha. You are a nocturnal person. Okay. All right. Who
Ma'am,
else?
I am also.
Who else is a nocturnal?
Ma'am, I
nocturnal.
दीदी मैं
मैं कौन?
दीदी पूर्वी.
Purvi. Okay, Purvi.
दीदी अश्नी.
Ashni is also nocturnal. Fine.
Ma'am,
The rest
आदि.
of you all are morning
Sachi.
persons, ना? रिया कितने बजे उठती हो? 5 बजे? हाँ?
8.
8 बजे. Then how come are you a morning person, huh? Okay, Riya is neither a nocturnal nor a morning person.
Ma'am,
ठीक है ना?
ma'am, I can't understand iniquity.
You cannot understand which one?
Iniquity.
Iniquity यानी पाप.
Third.
Write down, पाप. हिंदी में कहते हैं ना पाप. That is iniquity. Sin. Vice. Very good. At least she is asking. Rajnandi, what sort of a person are you? Nocturnal या फिर morning?
I'm nocturnal.
Nocturnal. उसने जानबूझ के आंसर चेंज कर दिया. फिर मैं पूछूंगी कितने बजे उठती हो? Right.
Ma'am, 5
Good,
बजे.
good, good. 5 बजे उठती हो तुम?
Yes,
फिर तुम
ma'am.
नॉक्टर्नल कैसे हो? फिर तो तुम तो मॉर्निंग पर्सन हो. 5 बजे शाम के या 5 बजे सुबह के? हाँ. रिया यही बोलने वाली थी ना, इसलिए ऐसे ऐसे हंस रही है. ओके, आई गेट इट. चलो, इक्वानिमिटी.
दीदी
यस.
अभी तो सुबह 5 बजे उठना पड़ता है, स्कूल है ना.
Okay, so you are temporarily a morning person then, है ना?
हाँ.
Okay, good, good, good. Equus plus animus. Equus plus animus. Equanimity is about equus plus animus. ठीक है? Equus यानी equal, animus यानी क्या है? Mind. Mind. Ani में कौन कौन देखता है? So when I say equanimity, it is all about evenness of temper. Evenness of temper. You know, maintain your temper. अपना cool मत खो. That is what we mean when we say
दीदी,
equanimity. Yes.
calmness in difficult situation बोल सकते हैं.
मुझे
Calmness
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
दीदी,
क्या बोल रहे?
calmness and composure in difficult
Yes,
situation.
yes. That's what it is, Purvi. Calmness and composure. Person with calm composure. ठीक है? Person who's calm, who's serene, who's unflappable, who has an even temper. ठीक है? ये सारे synonyms हैं. You know, the best way to remember a lot of words is to remember a lot of synonyms. Synonyms याद करोगे तो 5 synonyms भी याद किया ना, तो एक तो याद रह ही जाएगा. अब एक ही याद करोगे तो कहां से 5 रहेंगे याद, right? चलो, next word, equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Equus word से आया है, which means equal. Librium में libra है. Libra किस किस का zodiac sign libra है यहाँ पे? तुला राशि. What does it mean? उसका इमेज भी देखते हो ना, zodiac sign में एक ऐसा तराजू जैसा बना रहता है, right? No, that is balance. So equilibrium is state of physical balance. State of physical balance. Do you know who equilibrist is? Equilibrist कौन है, पता है किसी को? जो टाइट रोप होती है ना, the women who walk on tight rope, they are called equilibrist. Tight rope walker. Tight rope walker. Similarly, can you guys tell me the meaning of equator? ये होमवर्क में लिख लो. Equator, equation, equivalent, equidistant, equiangular, equilateral. Lateral में lattice word से आया है. Lattice means side, यानी something with equal sides. That is equilateral. ठीक है? तो ये होमवर्क में लिख लो, सबको करके लाना है. Next word from equus was equestrian. Who's an equestrian? Someone who's on a horse. यहाँ पे this is different from equus. ये root word क्या है यहाँ पे? EQUUS. वहां क्या था? AEQUUS. This means equal, and this equus means horse. Okay, so equestrian is someone on a horse. दोनों सेम नहीं है. पेडेस्ट्रियन कौन होगा? Who's a pedestrian? Vidisha Gupta. Who's a pedestrian? Someone on a foot. Pados word से आया है.
He's walking.
Someone who's walking. Yes, he's a pedestrian. Yes, someone who's on a foot. Do you know the meaning of pedophile? File तो love. Pado मैंने अभी बताया foot. क्या होगा? Someone who loves foot. हाँ?
Someone who loves walking.
No, no, no. Here it is food. यहाँ पे pedo is children. Do you see the difference? This is P-E-D-E. This is pedophile. This is pedestrian. This is pedophile and this is pedestrian. So someone who abuses, who sexually abuses children are pedophiles. Okay? Next, equine. वही equus word चल रहा है. E-Q-U-U-S. Equine.
Ma'am,
It's a
what do you mean by
horse.
file?
बोलो.
Ma'am, what do you mean by file?
What do you mean by file? File means love. Did I not tell you last class? Phil word से आया है. Philanthropist. Philandry. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Phylogenic. Equine is horse. Equine is horse. So what is equestrian? Statue. A statue of a person riding a horse. Yes or no? If equestrian is a person who's riding a horse, then equestrian statue is a statue where a person is riding a horse. Correct?
Yes. Yes, Didi.
Very good, very good, very good. Chalo, let's move on. We will move on to some more root words. Write down vox. Vox means voice, avaz. The first word that we have is vociferous. Vociferous me again, V-O-C-I. It's for vox, which means voice. And fero. Here, O-U-S is a suffix. And the root word is fero. Okay? Fero means to bear or to carry. Can someone tell me what is the meaning of vociferous? मैंने पूरे words तोड़ दिए हैं.
Ma'am, Ferris मतलब?
क्या? जोर से.
Ferris.
Ferris का meaning to bear, to carry.
Ma, Didi, expressing our opinions.
No. Someone who carries or vociferous is to carry much voice. Yani very loud. To carry much voice. Or you can say synonym of vociferous is clamorous. Clamorous. To carry much voice. Ahana, Ahi, where are you all?
Yes,
Krish?
Mom.
Yes. Clamorous. Acha, have you ever heard someone tell you just go vocal? Vocal. क्या था वो मोदी जी का? Vocal से local, local से vocal. or
vocal
something
for
ऐसा.
local.
Vocal for local, right? है ना? So what is that? What do you understand by the word vocal?
To speak for oneself.
Speak for oneself, नहीं. Simply expressing yourself readily. Vocal यानी expressing ourselves readily. When you ask someone to vocal, na, it means you're asking them. It's a verb, है ना, that you're asking someone else to do. So expressing yourself readily. Readily यानी easily and freely. That's how vocal cords are meant to produce voice. Right? To vocalize. Vocalize is the verb which means give voice to. You can use it in a sentence. Vocalize your anger. Don't hold it inside. Yani, tell what you have inside. Don't bottle up. है ना? To all the introverts, always try to vocalize. Never think about bottling up. Write down the next verb, that is titillate. It means to tickle. Tickle यानी figuratively भी, literally भी. कोई मेरे को बताएगा literally कैसे tickle करते हैं? Tickle कैसे करते हैं? How do we tickle people? people who do not know what is tickle, gudgudi, है ना? Write down. नहीं पता तो write down gudgudi. Rajnandini, have you written? Tickle is gudgudi, है ना? Gudgudi करना. Titillating is as well gudgudi, है ना? किसी को छेड़ रहे हो तुम, है ना? But छेड़ना is again a negative word. Titillating is a positive word. When you make someone else feel pleasant, किसी को अच्छा feel करा रहे हो, that is titillating. Okay? अगर हम लोग इतना अच्छा feel कराने पे आ रहे हैं, तो let's talk about words like compliment, flattery, adulation. Compliment, flattery, adulation. आही, आहाना, कृश, तीनों का मीनिंग बताओ मुझे.
Compliment.
Yes.
That when giving someone compliment, like if someone is looking very good, so we
Okay.
are giving him a compliment that you are looking very good, and
Okay.
you are looking
Okay.
very.
Who is speaking? Krish is speaking now.
Yes.
Krish, are you speaking? Okay, Krish, do one thing. यहाँ पे group में find someone, किसी को भी ढूंढो who you like, you think is looking good, और उसको compliment करो. Come on. I dare you. चलो.
दीदी,
Yes.
इसको easy words में praising someone बोल सकते हैं?
Yes. Actually, that's absolutely right. Praising someone. But let's wait. Krish to praise people. है ना? People from his group. You can praise anyone. किसी को भी praise कर सकते हो. Come on. यार मैं flattering करने नहीं बोल रही
I
हूँ, जो
love
तुम
the
इतना
way you
शर्मा रहे हो.
teach us.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm giving you a compliment that you are teaching us very well, and
Okay.
And I am enjoying the class very much.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, that's absolutely an example of complimenting someone. Praising someone's worth. है ना? It's an expression of praise. So what is flattery then? Flattery क्या है? Flattery, come on, we all know this. ये हम सबको पता है. We just don't get it. Flattery is
saying
something
good
we all
things
know.
about someone.
क्या? Doing what
Saying
about
good
someone?
things. Saying
That is
good
flattery.
things.
No, that is compliment. Saying good things about someone is complimenting. Flattery is flirt करना. Yes. यहाँ पे अभी जो flirt करेगा individually, I'm telling you, I'll give you extra marks. Come on. नहीं, Krish compliment कर लिया. Krish want flirt. Ashni, वो शर्मा के वीडियो ऑफ कर चुकी है. Right. Great, great. Ashni, you there? Riya, you there?
Yes, Didi.
Yes. You guys have to flirt with each other. Quick. We all are waiting. We want to see the difference between compliment, flattery, and adulation. Come on. No? Okay, Vidisha and Vidisha. Can you guys flirt with each other for a while?
दीदी बहुत बुरी हुई इसमें, आप क्यों इसमें घुसा रहे
Okay,
हो?
वो पहले ही disclosure दे रही, मैं बहुत बुरी हूँ. It's okay, we all want to know ना how the flirting works, how the flattery works. At least try, but it has to be in English, okay? अरे ऐसे शर्मा के फ्लर्ट नहीं होगा. Try, come on, Vidisha. Vidisha is waiting for the other Vidisha to start flirting first, है ना? Right. Okay, I get it. चलो, I would like to flirt with Ashni. Ashni, अपना कैमरा ऑन करो. Ashni, अपना कैमरा ऑन करो. I would like to flirt with you. या फिर आही, अपना कैमरा ऑन करो. या चलो रिया. Yes, रिया को पकड़ते हैं. Hi, रिया. Hi Ria, hi Ahi, how are you all?
Ma'am,
Come on, yaar.
fine.
You're fine.
Fine,
Okay.
Didi.
Hi. You guys are all looking very beautiful, very pretty. Date pe chale? Would you all like to go with me for a date? Come on. Yes or no? Ahi, Ashni, Ria. This is flirting. This is flattery. Okay, what I just did is flattery. But if I say something ridiculously bad or awful, or that is something up to a greater extent that is not acceptable, is adulation. Is it clear? Do you get the difference between the three? Adulation, flattery, and compliment. Crystal clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. So there's one more word, phrasal verb, to fawn upon. This is again a substitute for adulation. To fawn upon. Let's move away with the next word, that is proscribe. Yes. Right on. The meaning of proscribe is medical, या religious, या legal. Prohibition.
Ma'am, can't see.
स्क्रीन शेयर में कोई इशू हो रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
प्रिस्क्राइब का मतलब इज मेडिकल या रिलीजियस या लीगल प्रोहिबिशन. अभी दिख रहा है आप लोग को?
हाँ दीदी.
यस. प्रो का मतलब क्या है? बिफोर. स्क्राइब has come from the root word scribo. Scribo is to write, isn't it? We can form words from scribo like scribe, scribble, prescribe, describe. और क्या क्या वर्ड्स है स्क्राइब से, स्क्रिबो से? कम ऑन. सब्सक्राइब है ना, स्क्रिप्ट, स्क्रिप्चर्स, manuscript.
Ma'am, what is scribe?
What is scribe? It is a written form of anything. Anything in writing is a scribe. Scribble is scribbling, है ना? It's a verb. Scribbling. Prescribe, pre यानी before, है ना? Prescribe. You have prescribed, a doctor is prescribed us some medicine. Describe में D is for down. Sorry, sub is down, no? Right. Sub is down. D में D is also, ऐसा करो sub को under कर दो, ज्यादा better होगा. Sub को under कर दो और D को down कर दो. When you write down about something, you describe about it. When you write your name under one, that is subscribing. है ना? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. What are you doing? You are writing. You are marking yourself in to hear all the fresh videos the person uploads. That is subscribing. Writing your name under one's name.
दीदी
Yes.
ट्रांसक्राइब हो सकता है?
Transcribe. Yes. वो भी हो सकता है, आराम से होगा. तुम बताओ उसका मीनिंग क्या होगा?
When we transfer speech into writing.
Right. Speech to writing is transcribe. Anything, आप लोग जितने भी words देख रहे हो ना, they all have come from the root words only. Okay. Scriptures, again writing. Manuscript, manus yani hand. Okay, handwritten form. Next, obvious. Obvious में the root word is via, which means road. Which means road. So obvious का मतलब है in the middle of the road where no one can fail to see it.
दीदी वर्ड तो ऑब्विएट था ना?
Yes, ये फॉर्म चेंज हो गया.
अच्छा.
ओके, यस. जैसे नॉक्चर्नल में सी तो नहीं था ना, एक्स एन नॉक्स था ना रूट वर्ड, टी के साथ वो सी हो गया. ओके, in the middle of the road where no one can fail to see it, यानी something which is very crystal clear, है ना, that is obvious, that is obviating. So similarly, tell me what is trivial then? Try yani 3, via yani road. So trivial is a road जहाँ पे, trivial is a place where 3 roads intersect, है ना. तो इमेजिन ये वो जगह है, यहाँ पे 3 रोड इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा ट्रैफिक होगा या नहीं? Isn't it? यहाँ पे बहुत बिजी ट्रैफिक होगा, और बिजी ट्रैफिक में क्या तुम लोग इम्पोर्टेंट बातें करोगे?
No.
No, we will talk only silly things. So that is trivial things. We will talk only trivial things. ऐसे origin हुआ है trivial word. ठीक है? We will talk trivialities. Write down. Trivialities. ऐसे याद करना है, ऐसे कि origin भी ऐसे ही हुआ. Okay? Trivial word. Next, militate. Mini militia. क्रिश खेलता होगा, है ना?
नहीं, मैं कोई गेम
दीदी,
I
मैं
don't play
खेलती
any
हूँ.
games.
अच्छा, पूर्वी खेलती है. ओके, तो अब पता चल रहा है उसमें क्रिश इज अ नोटोरियस लायर, है ना? गुड
I
गुड.
play outdoor games.
You play outdoor games only. That's very
Yes.
good. That's very very good. Do you play outdoor games indoor? यानी क्रिकेट को फोन पे?
No, no, no.
नो नो नो. ओके, चलो, गुड, वेरी गुड. मिलिटेट तो, लेकिन मिनी मिलिशिया सुना तो होगा ना?
हाँ.
हाँ, चलो. तो क्या होता है मिलिशिया का मतलब? It is come from the root word militis, which means soldier. तुम लोग पढ़ोगे हिस्ट्री में भी मिलिशिया वगैरह. तो मिलिटेट का मतलब होता है फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट योरसेल्फ. Militate is fighting against yourself. If something is militating you, yani that thing is disadvantageous for you. Okay, this is the verb. Next, बहुत बड़ा root word है malice. Malice. Malice, it means bad or it means evil. यहाँ पे हम लोग अभी भी बहुत सारे वर्ड्स बनाएंगे, बहुत सारे. राइट डाउन. फर्स्ट वर्ड मलायन. राइट डाउन. इसका मतलब है स्पीक evil about. विदिशा, विदिशा. क्लियर? defame, synonyms. slander. malign यानी बुरी बातें करना. to malign someone is to talk bad about him. ठीक है? malignant. mal word यानी bad. and this is deep hatredness. deep hatred. बस इतना लिख दो. Next, the noun form of malignant is malignity. This is the
दीदी,
noun.
मैलिग्नेंट का सिनोनिम डिस्ट्रक्टिव हो सकता है?
Destructive.
Yes.
Destructive. Destructive. This one.
Yes.
This.
DES. DES. Destructive.
I'm sorry, I can't hear your word again. DES.
DESTRU.
This one, no? The one I've written here.
DD.
No, 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 not that. Malignant or destructive अलग है, एकदम अलग है. Destructive यानी to destroy, खत्म करना. Malignant यानी having deep hatredness for someone, abhorring someone, loathing someone, detesting someone. Malign का, one second. Malign का noun हो जाएगा, write down. Malignancy. डॉक्टर से सुना होगा ये चीज. What is it? It's a cancerous growth. Malignancy. Okay. Write down the next word, malediction. Malediction. DICTION में the root word is dico, which means to say. Dico means to say. और माल तो हमें पता ही है bad. तो कोई बोल सकता है what is it? What is malediction? Rajnandini, Krish, what is malediction?
I'm bad to say.
DD curse word. Bad words.
Yes, evil saying, bad saying, है ना? यानी cursing someone, गाली देना. Okay? तो एक वर्ड और साथ में रूट वर्ड सीखते हैं. Write down Ben. Ben. साइड में लिखना, ठीक है? हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे माल और बेल को, बेन को. अगर माल इज बैड, बेन इज गुड. इफ माल इज बैड, बेन इज गुड. ओके. सो मालेडिक्शन यहाँ पे ये हो जाएगा बेनेडिक्शन. आर द एंटोनिम्स? यस, बेनेडिक्शन क्या होगा? इफ दिस इज कर्सिंग, दिस इज अ ब्लेसिंग. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. और लिखो बेन से. मलाइन था, मलाइन का उल्टा क्या हो जाएगा? बेनाइन. ठीक है, बेनाइन या फिर बेनिग्नेंट. malignant, benignant, all of which means good natured. Good natured. Ahi Ahana,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the meaning of the word malevolent. Malevolent. ये जुड़े हुए हैं. हाँ, these words are interlinked. Malevolent. अच्छा, मेरे को बोलो malevolent का उल्टा benevolent हो पाएगा या नहीं? Can I
Yes,
say
ma'am.
benevolent? What do
Yes,
you mean
ma'am.
by benevolent? Someone who's benevolent word तो सुना होगा, right? Kind, दयालु, पिट्टी. यहाँ valent word जो है ना, यहाँ पे इसका root word है volo, volo, which means wish. और mal is bad, to someone who wishes bad for others.
Desire to harm someone.
Yes. Someone who wishes evil. A benevolent is someone who's kind. अच्छा, याद है लास्ट क्लास हमने डिस्कस किया था लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड. adroit
Yes.
मतलब क्या था?
दीदी
Clever.
Yes.
Skillful.
दीदी मेलेवलेंट का मतलब क्या होता है?
benevolent यानी kind, good wisher, well wisher,
ठीक है दीदी.
है ना? Ben is good, volent is wishing,
जी दीदी.
well wisher. Maladroit. Droit क्या था? Droit word. Adroit, someone who's
Skillful.
skillful. Yes. तो
Someone who
badly
is
skilled.
not badly skilled.
Badly skilled, है ना? That person is a maladroit. Write down the next word, मलेफिसेंट, ये मूवी किसने देखी है? डिज्नी की थी ना, सांची? मलेफिसेंट, Angelina Jolie was there with big wings. She looked very beautiful there. मूवी देखी है मलेफिसेंट? ओके कोई बात नहीं, आज देख लेना। ओके ये होमवर्क में लिख लो, मलेफिसेंट देख लेना ये पक्का से। ओके मलेफिसेंट का मतलब है, ये यहाँ पे रूट वर्ड है फासियो। रूट वर्ड इज फासियो विच मीन्स टू डू। तो मेरे को बोलो मलेफिसेंट का मतलब क्या होगा?
Bad to do.
To do bad things.
Yes, someone who does harmful things या someone who does evil things, doing harm या फिर evil। और malefactor कौन हो जाएगा?
Someone who does good
The
things.
wrong doer, जो कर रहा है। Maleficent is the act, malefactor is the doer of maleficent. Malefactor does maleficent works. Yes. Next, तो benefactor क्या होगा? These words are very important for
Someone
you
who
all.
does good.
Yes,
Right doer.
good doer. Yes. तो benefactress पता है कौन है? Benefactress, a woman who's a
Woman
good
who
doer.
does good.
Yes, it's just stealing and pulling here. Benefactor is for masculine, benefactress is feminine. Or benefaction, this is the act, the good act, है ना? Good doing, good deed, right? And who is the recipient of benefaction? जिसको receive हो रहा है. For example, I'm a good person, I'm a benefactress, I'm doing good to all, good to you all, I'm doing benefaction to you all, है ना? So what are you called? You will be called beneficiary. ये word सुना होगा आप लोगों ने बहुत बार, right? Beneficiary, write down. Recipient of money या फिर कोई भी चीज है ना, good things.
दीदी benefactor के नीचे वाला word क्या था?
Benefactress,
TRUS.
TRESS,
Okay.
tiger, tigress, है ना? Yes. Malafide, fide is again trust, faith, or bona fide will be good
Ma'am,
faith.
good.
Yes. Malafide is bad faith, this is good faith. Acha Krishu, next time you comment on your friend's picture, comment bonbon. What is bonbon? Good, है ना? Which otherwise means sweet. Bonbon. Okay. Next, write down deco. Deco word. Deco यानी? Deco क्या होता है? What is deco? Do as I say. To do. ठीक है? Basically to do. Deco is the root word. It's not an English word, it's a root word. Here you can form words like dictate, dictator, dictation, predict, contradict. ये सबका मीनिंग आप लोग को लिख के लाना है. Addiction. Okay. Placate. Placate का मतलब क्या है? Write down the synonyms. To please, to appease, to lure, to allure, to soothe, to pacify. इतने सारे synonyms. Yes. Placate is verb. Placable is activity. है ना? Placable, adjective. Implacable is someone who can't be pleased. कुछ भी कर लो वो नहीं मानेगा. Right? Who's impervious to placation. That person is implacable. अच्छा,
दीदी
who's the comment?
एल्यूर का मीनिंग क्या था?
Again, वही same. Placate. These
नहीं,
are all synonyms.
ओके. एंड एल्यूर के ऊपर क्या लिखा है?
Lure,
ओके.
lure, allure. ठीक है, alluring performances by youngsters. ऐसा. Okay. Complacent. Complacent. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? To be pleased with yourself. Himanshi. Himanshi.
दीदी कैन यू रिपीट प्लेकेट मतलब क्या होता है?
Placate यानी what do you say? कैसे क्या कहते हैं? सूद को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? Please को क्या कहते हैं? खुश करना. Yes, please, pacify, soothe, मस्का मारना, है ना? These are all the words.
बटरिंग.
Teachers को जैसे कुछ कुछ देना. Some students ना who keep on running behind the teachers, उनके पीछे भागते रहते हैं, है ना? पूछ के जैसे they are placating the teachers, है ना?
दीदी बटरिंग.
Buttering, oiling, yeah, but not exactly. हाँ, buttering, oiling थोड़ा ना negative भी हो जा रहा है. हम थोड़ा positive sense में भी ले सकते हैं placate word को. Complacent क्या होगा? Com यानी with, right? और placent यानी please. तो please with yourself. Last verb of the day, condone. Condone. Write down the meaning. Write down the synonyms. Forgive. Overlook. Pardon. Noun क्या है condone का? Condonation. Root word is dono. Dono means to give. Words like donor, donate, donation. Donor, donate, and donation. Yes? Is it clear?
Yes.
And what
Okay.
is the meaning of pardon?
What is the meaning of pardon?
Pardon.
Pardon यानी माफ कर दो. Please forgive me. Excuse me. Pardon me. I beg your pardon. ये सब synonyms है. Forgive, overlook, pardon. ये सब synonyms है condone के. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. सब अपना कैमरा ऑन करो quickly.
Ma'am, condone का मतलब?
Condone मतलब forgive. Condone मतलब overlook. Condone मतलब pardon. सबको ही अपना कैमरा ऑन करो क्विकली. Yes, is everyone there? या किसी ने छोड़ दिया मीटिंग बीच में? अच्छा, let me tell you, tomorrow is the final day. और tomorrow I'm going to be needing your extrovert word वाला performance, your lying habits. How do you lie? I want the biggest lie of the world. ठीक है? सबसे बड़ा झूठ. झूठा will be awarded. Trust me. Next, we will play one more game, but you have to actively participate. जैसे आज vocab word था, तो आप लोग actively participate नहीं किए तो थोड़ा बोर लगा, है ना? But अगर आप लोग कल participate actively करेंगे, तो you will also feel good. ठीक है? अच्छा, again I would say revise the words. जितने वर्ड्स मैं लिखा रही हूँ कीप रिवाइजिंग. So I'm not giving out any assignments for today, but just do what is told. ठीक है, आज जितना बोला गया उतना कर लेना. Right? Can you do it? The fabrication वाला part. Then a monologue, है ना? Monologue यानी एक्टिंग करना, कोई भी कैरेक्टर उठा के, है ना, पर्सनालिटी टाइप पे. Can everyone do that? Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Chat
ma'am.
box में. Chat box में I want everyone's yes or no. Don't be equivocal with me. Yes. Yes. Ahi says yes. Riya says yes. Purvi yes. Vidisha yes. Rajnandini yes. Vidisha, Krish yes. बाकी सबका no. Sanchi yes. Ashni yes. Okay, good. चलो, great. Then I'll see you all tomorrow. Timing मैं रात तक inform कर रही हूँ. Homework कोई assignment नहीं है. तो I want everyone. ये जो काम दिए हैं, ये जो टास्क दिया है, एक्टिविटी नंबर 1 इज पर्सनालिटी वाले पे मोनोलॉग, और सेकंड एक्टिविटी इज सबसे बड़ा झूठ, द बिगेस्ट फैब्रिकेशन. ठीक है, नोट डाउन कर लो जिसको याद नहीं रहता है. और थर्ड इज अ गेम फॉर टुमारो एंड अ सेशन टुमारो. ओके, चलो बाय.
दीदी मोनोलॉग में एक वर्ड पिकअप करके उसके बारे में बताना है, उसके में एक्टिंग करनी है.
तुम्हें फॉर एग्जाम्पल तुमने एक्सट्रोवर्ट चूज किया, ठीक है, सो योर कंटेंट हैज टू बी इन इंग्लिश, फुल इंग्लिश, ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू एक्ट लाइक एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट एंड मेक श्योर यू एड गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वोकैब्युलरी इन इट. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर सेइंग लव, डोंट जस्ट से लव, से समथिंग एल्स. ठीक है, just try to modify the words. Okay, we will make a video on it. Clear? Everybody clear? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll show you the scores as well next class में किसका क्या है. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, all the best. Ahi, Ahana, I want you both to participate. ठीक है?
Ma'am, we have
Yes.
to act, or we will say a like paragraph on that.
You have to do both. You have to speak on it while acting on it. Okay? Yes? Chalo
Yes,
then,
ma'am.
scoot. Everyone scoot.
बाय मैम, sayonara.
Sayonara. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye
Didi.
all once. And thank you for joining the class.
Bye, Didi.
Bye.
Bye all once. Meet tomorrow.
Yes.